Ruby just took her first steps. And she's trying to go again. Oh, baby girl. It's Easter Sunday, 2013. Ruby's about 13 months old. 1, 2, 3. Oh, little girl 4. Whoa, good job, baby.
She's got the left foot working.
She's doing the going around in a circle. Oh, she's smiling so big.
The wagon wheel turn.
She was just working the one, it wasn't she, Cliff?
Almost. Good job. You're awesome.
She's figuring it out.
Just so you know, you cannot have any soda. Good job, baby. No.
Oh, baby, look at her. Yeah. My goodness. Good job.
Good job, Ruby.
She wanted to clap, right?
Jessica, put it beside you.
Ooh. Big girl. There you go, big girl. Her first steps.
I think that's funny when she picked up her feet. I remember Barry's first steps. I was there.
Really? Oh, look at her.
Wow.
Little girl.
Wow, that's a bunch of them.
Good job, Ruby. Good job.